So this is a Circa corner studio. This is a couple notches up from the regular king room. Those windows. Hi, dear.
Hi.
So let's give you a quick rundown of the room. So when you come in, you have all your buttons. One of the things, a lot of rooms, especially if you're coming at night in Vegas, a couple hotels we stayed in, it's pretty dark because they don't turn the lights on. It's good to have the panel right here so you get high and it illuminates everything. You also have your privacy issues, so if you want nobody to disturb you, which is akin to the do not disturb door hanger, you of course just press that button, which I should have pressed a few moments ago. If you need service, hit that one, so on and so forth. Then this one operates this huge mirror right at the door. So that's pretty cool. Pretty nice mirror. We have the restroom. Dear, would you like to fill us in on this beautiful, immaculate restroom? No?
No.
Well, how about you come help us anyway? Come on down. Come on. Let's all join in. Get that radiant smile in here.
So, definitely love that you have a his and hers mirror. I don't know about you guys, but we definitely fight over the mirror at home. So,
yeah, you know,
it's good that you have your own space.
Yep, got dual sinks, dual vanities, your own mirrors. It's also a good thing to note, you can also dim these down by pressing voila. Or full blast. Look at that. Just taught you something you weren't even aware of.
Filter.
Ooh, built-in filter.
Built-in filter.
So you have your little beauty mirror right here too.
Mm-hmm.
Little stool.
I will be using this tonight to do my makeup.
Wow. So yeah, bathroom is nice. Give us a visual.
Now I'm 6'1", so it's perfect for me by myself.
Well, I didn't mean that
and
kind
you
of
can
visual.
see. Shit, what?
Shower has been used.
Oh. About what?
I can't tell.
It's a great shower.
Let's go out to the main room. So like I said, this is this corner studio. She had this cool bench. I love the fact that it has storage up under it. Then you have this huge amount of space. Sofa, a couple chairs, coffee table.
Very entertaining space.
Yeah. I love the artwork. Just really harkens back to Circa, the old Vegas, sort of ties the old and the new together. And these views. So a lot of places you get a city view or you get a strip view. In this suite you get both. So we got the mountains in the background. We got the plaza, which is pretty cool at nighttime, especially when it's lit up. Have a desk area. This would be a beautiful view to work, quote unquote, from home from. Mini fridge, those waters are free, thankfully. We have a huge corner TV. Then we go over to the bed, very comfortable bed. I love these backlights on here. Another light control panel right here where you can adjust all the lights, the brightness, things of that nature from right there. Huge charging portal. Then everything runs through this tablet. So you can get a weather, you can run music, housekeeping, restaurants. They do have 24-hour room service, so you can order directly through there. Huge, huge closet. Safe. All the standards. Now, if you don't like looking at the TV and you want to watch a couple more items, another benefit of the corner suite is this awesome stadium swim view. Look at that screen. There's an app you can download. We'll tack it in here to where you can use the app and listen to any one of the channels or TV shows that are shown on that screen at any given time. They can have 18 to 20 of them running. But this is also a good place to look and see what the capacity is of the pool so you can realize when you need to get down there, which we need to hurry up and do, right?
Yeah.
All right, then you got Fremont Street under that tube. And off in the distance, you have the strip view. So, love this room. It's real nice.
Love this room.
Yeah, I agree. So once again, quick room video, view, tour, so on and so forth of the corner studio at Circa, downtown Las Vegas. Anything you want to say as a parting bed?
Let's do the bed test.
Oh yeah, how could I forget? Bed test.
You gonna do anything?
Yeah, absolutely. Can I set it up? Hold on. Time for the bed test. Shout out to Turn It Up World for giving us his idea. You know, got to give credit where it's due. But let's test this bed out, see how good it is. You ready?
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Hold on, where are you gonna go? You gotta go this way. Going to dive the right way.
Hey, it's approved by me.
It's approved.
And I slept on the couch last night, and that was great too. So, couch works also. All right, so it's time to go. So, unfortunately, we got to pack up and go home. All great things must come to an end. So, we just want to give a quick wrap up about what we thought about the room, the resort as a whole, and if you should come visit Stadium Swim as well. I mean, for me, it's a no-brainer. Absolutely.
No-brainer. Yeah. Especially if you can get one of these corner units where you have a view of the strip as well as the mountains.
Yeah, definitely makes a difference. The windows all around are great. They let a massive amount of sunlight in, and at nighttime, being able to see the city lights in the distance is relaxing as well. So definitely a different touch. There's great restaurants here. We got to eat at Victory Burger. We also got to eat at 𝙂𝙊𝙾𝙊𝙆. We've ate at Saginaws in the past. So this is actually our 3rd time here. Stadium Swim, that goes without saying.
By far.
Yeah. And great French fries, by the way. That's definitely something you should check out while you're down there. But all around, great resort, relaxing time. Just go with the flow and go with the pace. If you want to sleep and get rest, it's a great place to do so from what I gather. But nonetheless, we definitely will be back to Circa. We definitely suggest that you guys visit Circa as well. And, you know, everyone's always about the strip. But now there's a different kid on the block, and there's a big reason to come on down to Fremont. You got a block party right outside the door every day. You got some things here that you just can't get on the strip. So, in closing, you're gonna miss it. Back to reality, as they say. But we look forward to being back, and hopefully you guys will come as well. So, if you come, if you're planning on coming, if you've been here, drop us a comment, let us know. Also, be sure to visit our new Facebook group, 𝙂𝙊𝙆𝙆. That's WENVLV. And join the discussion. Give some tips, tricks, some travel experiences. And we're just looking to build a community of like-minded Vegas lovers like ourselves, or people that are curious about Vegas. So check us out. And in the meantime, it's time to load up these overloaded bags and get back on the plane. So until next time, Vegas.
Peace.
Peace.